with carne, pork. So, first yung carne, toasted nyo muna hanggang matanggal, maano na yung may mantika na siya. So, pag brown na yung carne, ilalagay nyo na yung onion, garlic, and then pag brown na rin, ilagay nyo yung tomatoes, and then pag okay na yung tomatoes, ilagay nyo na yung sari-saring gulay. So, small amount of bagoong, and then small amount of water, small amount of magic syrup, and black pepper powder. So, last yung spinach. So, alugbati. Yun. So, pag okay na, mga after 10 minutes, luto naman siya yan. Yun lang guys. Thank you.